Top 5 Best Oil for Kawasaki Lawnmower Engine. In this video we only show available and top 5 best oil for Kawasaki Lawnmower Engine. Number 1. Kawasaki ATV/UTV Engine Oil 10W41 gallon K610213004. Reduces leaks, oil burn, often power robbing, deposits. Refresh aging, seals and prevent leaks both inside and outside your engine, with premium seal conditioners. Number 2. Kawasaki Genuine Part KTECH 10 watts -30 engine oil quart number 99969 to 6081. Genuine Kawasaki 10W30. Formulated for longer drain intervals. Helps prevent buildup that can cause rust and corrosion. Reduces friction for less engine wear. Higher resistance to viscosity and thermal breakdown. Helps reduce exhaust emissions. Number 3. Valvoline high mileage with MaxLife technology, say 10 watts -30 synthetic blend motor oil 5QD. Packaging may vary. 40% better wear protection than the industry standard, with enhanced anti-wear additives, keeping critical engine components safe and preventing metal surfaces from making contact. Exceptional temperature protection, no matter the weather, with superior viscosity modifiers to ensure oil flows more easily, coats more completely, and resists thermal breakdown, even in the fiercest driving conditions. Enhanced friction performance helps maximize power, with advanced friction fighting agents that properly lubricate moving parts, and help your older engine maintain its horsepower to perform its best for longer. Reduce sludge deposits, corrosion, and rust with added detergents and anti-corrosion additives, sustaining your engine's performance and preventing higher emissions. Number 4. Valvoline VR1 Racing say 20 watts -50 high performance high zinc motor oil 5QD. Selling racing motor oil. Specifically formulated for race level protection in all classic and modern high performance vehicles, including flat tappet and performance cam engines. High zinc and phosphorus formula for extreme anti-wear protection. Formulated to maximize horsepower. Number 5. Castrol 03128C Edge high mileage 5 watts -30 advanced full synthetic motor oil 5 quart. Titanium strong for maximum engine performance in vehicles with over 75,000 miles. Maximizes short and long-term engine performance on high mileage engines. Boosted with extra fluid titanium technology to increase oil film strength and reduce film breakdown. Reduces leaks, oil burn off, and power robbing deposits. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest top best product.